Yes, I had also read about this new power of attorney. I went with my mother. She's 82 now, and got this accomplished back in December. And then, of course, I read where the new laws had changed, and I was wondering, should we turn around and go back to our attorney and say, we want to make sure you've given us the updated version of this, or I really didn't know what to
Fair
do.
question, right?
That's a really
Even though it was so recent, do they need an update?
Right. Well, the Act did provide anything signed prior to this January 1 is still effective, but those old power of attorneys did not list all the things that you need now. You have to understand this new act is after years of changes. Banking laws have changed, dealing with stock companies, annuities, doctors, hospitals, all the HIPAA stuff has changed. I do recommend that you go back to your attorney. What I am doing for my clients, if I have done the old power of attorney, I do the new one at a very good discount, because I don't want money to be a reason for them not to be updated with the law. I do recommend that you go back to your attorney, because before we didn't have a real good framework from our legislature to do the power of attorney. This time they did provide that, so it's important that you do that. And let me tell you, we're early into the year. A lot of attorneys are still drafting the forms. Again, we had to go by, I tweaked mine from what the legislature did as the framework. All attorneys need to do that, so don't be upset if your lawyer's not up and going with that. There's many lawyers that are still working on their draft. But yes, ma'am, you would definitely need to update it, especially while your mom is still able to sign. So that's real important. And you said she was 82 years old, and that may be something you need to do soon. And again, call the attorney, make sure he's working toward getting that done. But it's a good, smart decision.
Sure. Okay. Kim.